If you've been waiting on Seedance 2.5, stop scrolling. The presale just opened, and it comes with something most people are going to miss. Unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K starting the second you lock it in. Here's the deal. Seedance 2.5 itself isn't live yet. It unlocks in 7 days. But Higgsfield structured this presale so you're not waiting around doing nothing. The moment you claim it, you get 7 days of unlimited Seedance, 2 generations in 4K. Then, when 2.5 drops, you automatically roll into 7 more days of unlimited generations on the new model. 2 models, 14 days, 1 presale window. Let's start with what's actually different in 2.5. This shot right here runs a full 30 seconds without a single cut. Camera, lighting, character, all of it holding steady the entire way through, not 4 generations glued together and hoping nobody notices the seams. Next, references. 2.5 takes up to 50 of them in 1 generation. Images, video, audio, style boards, text, all at once. Watch how many separate elements are showing up in this frame together and staying consistent. This is the feature I think creators are going to lean on the most. Native audio generated in the same pass as the video. Dialogue, footsteps, ambience, it's already in the file. You're not layering sound on in post anymore. And the fine detail holds up too. Text, hair, small textures, staying sharp frame to frame. That's the roughly 20% bump in prompt adherence over 2 showing up in practice. This is aimed at narrative shorts, high motion action sequences, music videos, product commercials, and style transfer work. Basically anywhere continuity used to break down. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 in 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. One more time so it's clear. Seedance 2.5 unlocks in 7 days. That part is still coming. What's already live is unlimited 4K generation on Seedance 2, and that starts the moment you claim the presale below. This pricing won't stick around, so I'd grab it now rather than later.